you know, those of us who work around the president, we have a very difficult task of overseeing the transformation of a hustler into a president. That is why the president is breaching protocol, because much as the hustler nation propelled one of them to State House, it is very difficult to get the hustler out of him. And that is why he is quite comfortable to get everybody to use the state podium. Your Excellency, our President, today is a very important day for this country and for your administration. Among the 5 key pillars is the universal health coverage. And Your Excellency, I want to tell the people of Kenya that what is happening today is not by accident. It is 1 year of hard work by the President, and I want to confirm the President has held countless meetings, day and night, with officials from the Ministry of Health, our international development partners, and other stakeholders. And Your Excellency, this intervention at the level 1 of intervention is a clear demonstration that you are determined to transform this country through the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. That is why this intervention is at the lowest of the pyramid, mashinani, where wananchi